In the golden fields, the journey of Barilla pasta begins with Durum wheat. Every grain is gathered with precision for the perfect Barilla pasta texture. The harvest flows seamlessly toward the next step of Barilla pasta creation. Carefully loaded, the wheat prepares for its journey to the Barilla pasta factory. From field to factory, the Barilla pasta journey gains momentum. The path ahead leads to transformation inside the Barilla pasta facility.
Truck approaching. Prepare to verify the wheat. Load looks good. Proceed to the yard.
Entry marks the beginning of industrial precision for Barilla pasta.
Directing to unloading zone now. Confirmed. Flow looks good.
Inside the facility, raw wheat prepares for its transformation into Barilla pasta.
Guided with precision, the Barilla pasta wheat reaches its unloading point. Every load is measured to ensure consistency in Barilla pasta production.
Okay, reverse slowly. Straight back toward the hopper. Copy that. Scale is stable at 24,500. Good. Keep coming back. Almost aligned. Position. Stop the truck. Perfect. Ready for intake. Weight is stable at 24,500 kilograms. Confirmed. Initiating tip.
Gravity takes over as wheat flows into the Barilla pasta intake system. The journey continues through controlled channels toward processing. Lifted upward, the wheat advances deeper into the Barilla pasta system.
Directed with accuracy, each grain finds its place in the Barilla pasta process. Stored safely, the wheat awaits its transformation into Barilla pasta. The Barilla pasta facility stands as a hub of precision and scale. Entry into the Barilla pasta factory reveals the heart of production. Inside, every system works in harmony for Barilla pasta production. Digital precision guides each step of the Barilla pasta process.
Feed rate is stable at 120.
Confirmed. Moving to cleaning. The transformation begins as wheat enters the Barilla pasta processing line.
Movement is constant, guiding wheat toward refinement. The first purification step prepares Barilla pasta quality grain. Now refined, the wheat advances deeper into the Barilla pasta process. Precision cleaning begins to refine the Barilla pasta wheat.
Each layer filters the wheat to meet Barilla pasta standards. Vibrating screens separate stones and husks from the grain. Dust extraction ensures a clean, efficient process.
Air precision removes even the lightest impurities.
Safety is ensured as unwanted metals are eliminated.
Technology selects only the finest grains for Barilla pasta.
Only the best grains continue the Barilla pasta journey.
Moisture is balanced to prepare wheat for milling.
The cleaned wheat now moves toward transformation into Barilla pasta semolina. The transformation of Barilla pasta begins with precision milling. Steel rollers break the grain into the foundation of Barilla pasta. Separation ensures only the perfect semolina for Barilla pasta. Nothing is wasted as every particle is refined. The signature texture of Barilla pasta begins to take form. Carefully stored, semolina awaits its next transformation. Exact measurements ensure consistency in every batch of Barilla pasta.
Pressure and flow are optimal. Batch consistency confirmed.
Automated precision and human verification deliver quality. The base of Barilla pasta is ready to become dough. Water transforms semolina into the foundation of Barilla pasta dough. Consistency is key in shaping perfect Barilla pasta dough. Air is removed to ensure the signature quality of Barilla pasta. Pressure builds as dough moves toward its final shape. Shape defines identity as Barilla pasta spaghetti is formed. Precision cutting ensures uniform Barilla pasta portions. Controlled drying begins to stabilize Barilla pasta structure. Time and temperature refine the final texture of Barilla pasta. Technology ensures perfect drying conditions for Barilla pasta. Efficient movement keeps Barilla pasta production continuous. Automation enhances accuracy in handling Barilla pasta.
Intelligent systems maintain the standard of Barilla pasta.
Flow control keeps the Barilla pasta process perfectly balanced. Cooling stabilizes the final structure of Barilla pasta. Perfect alignment prepares Barilla pasta for its final stages. The final refinement of Barilla pasta is about to begin. Every strand of Barilla pasta is inspected for perfection. Precision ensures uniformity in every Barilla pasta piece. Finishing touches enhance the quality of Barilla pasta. Final drying ensures stability of Barilla pasta.
Accuracy defines every pack of Barilla pasta. Balanced distribution maintains continuous Barilla pasta production. Balanced distribution maintains continuous Barilla pasta production. The final stage of Barilla pasta presentation begins. Each Barilla pasta pack is sealed with precision. Traceability ensures quality in every Barilla pasta package.
Seal and alignment check complete. No defects. Confirmed. Push it forward. Next box. Looks good.
Human inspection guarantees flawless Barilla pasta presentation. Automated systems ensure every Barilla pasta box meets standards. Scientific testing confirms the quality of Barilla pasta. Precision testing ensures the durability of Barilla pasta. Approved batches move forward in the Barilla pasta journey. Finalized products head toward storage and distribution. Barilla pasta boxes are stacked efficiently for distribution. Secured packaging ensures safe transport of Barilla pasta. Organized storage keeps Barilla pasta ready for global delivery. Movement begins as Barilla pasta enters the final stage.
Easy now. Keep it centered. Steady. Align with the truck. Good. Bring it forward.
Shipments are prepared to carry Barilla pasta worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce Barilla pasta from start to finish.
A seamless system delivering quality at every stage.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.